War machines are evolving, and what you're about to see feels straight out of the future. From AI-powered robotic combat vehicles and autonomous helicopters to precision strike drones and unstoppable armored giants, these machines aren't just vehicles, they're battlefield game changers. Engineered for dominance on land, sea, air, and even underwater, each one pushes technology to its absolute limit. This isn't science fiction. This is modern military power at its most extreme. Let's dive into the 15 most insane military vehicles in the world. TATRA Desert Master. The TATRA Desert Master, based on the legendary TATRA Force platform, is built to dominate the harshest desert battlefields on Earth. Designed around TATRA's signature backbone chassis, this beast delivers extreme durability and insane off-road mobility, where ordinary military trucks simply give up. With massive ground clearance, heavy-duty suspension, and a rock-solid frame, it powers through deep sand, rough terrain, and brutal heat without breaking a sweat. Its modular design allows it to adapt for logistics, troop transport, or tactical support missions. While detailed specs remain limited, one thing is clear: this machine carries TATRA's long legacy of unstoppable battlefield engineering. Rheinmetall Fuchs. JAGM. The Rheinmetall Fuchs. JAGM is a serious battlefield upgrade of the legendary TPZ Fuchs 6x6 platform, redesigned into a next-generation mobile missile destroyer. What makes it truly insane is its vertical launch system, carrying up to 24 JAGM or Hellfire missiles, capable of striking targets at distances of nearly 16 kilometers with deadly precision. It can eliminate enemy tanks, fortified bunkers, and even low-flying aerial threats without exposing itself for long. Built on the modern Fuchs Evolution chassis, it features upgraded armor protection, advanced digital architecture, integrated battlefield sensors, and enhanced mobility. Fast, networked, and heavily armed, this vehicle blends firepower, flexibility, and survivability into one powerful combat machine built for modern high-intensity warfare. TRX Robotic Combat Vehicle. The TRX Robotic Combat Vehicle from General Dynamics Land Systems is a bold step into the future of unmanned warfare. Developed under the Robotic Combat Vehicle Medium program, this roughly 10-ton tracked platform combines hybrid electric propulsion with a highly modular design. Its near 1-to-1 payload-to-chassis ratio allows it to carry heavy mission modules without sacrificing mobility, whether it's reconnaissance systems, electronic warfare suites, direct fire weapons, counter-UAS defenses, or autonomous resupply gear. Built on a digital open architecture, TRX can operate via remote control or advanced autonomy. Fast, adaptable, and fully network ready, it's designed to fight smarter while keeping soldiers out of direct danger. Birdon AV-L. The Birdon AV-L is a next-generation amphibious logistics vehicle built to move effortlessly from open water and crashing surf straight onto rough roads and coastal terrain. Developed by Birdon for the Australian Army, this platform modernizes frontline resupply missions. It features powerful water jet propulsion, a dynamic drivetrain, independent suspension, automatic tire inflation, and advanced steering systems that adapt to constantly changing ground conditions. Its modular payload deck and onboard crane allow rapid cargo handling, while corrosion-resistant construction ensures durability in saltwater operations. Tough, versatile, and mission-ready, the AV-L is built to keep forces supplied wherever land meets sea. Uvision HERO 400. The Uvision HERO 400 is a high-end loitering munition built for long-range precision strikes in modern warfare. Developed by Uvision Air, it combines endurance, accuracy, and tactical flexibility into one deadly aerial system. Designed to detect, track, and eliminate both stationary and moving targets, it minimizes collateral damage while maximizing mission success. Equipped with a high-resolution electro-optical and infrared sensor suite, it can identify threats from extended standoff ranges of up to 150 kilometers and loiter in the air for nearly 2 hours. launched from a preloaded canister and deployable from land, sea, or air platforms. The HERO 400 delivers networked, professional-grade precision when it matters most. Scout AI NOMAD. The Scout AI NOMAD is a next-generation unmanned ground vehicle pushing the limits of battlefield autonomy. Developed by Scout AI in partnership with Hendrick Motorsports Technical Solutions, NOMAD blends rugged engineering with advanced artificial intelligence. Powered by Scout AI's Fury autonomy stack, it runs on a second-generation, power-efficient hardware suite that's nearly 90% smaller than earlier systems. This lightweight platform can operate autonomously beyond line of sight, follow human teammates, and carry multiple mission payloads for light tactical operations. Using passive camera-only sensing, it maintains a low signature while staying cost-effective. Smart, adaptable, and highly mobile, NOMAD represents the future of AI-driven ground combat support. Leonardo Proteus. The Leonardo Proteus is a bold leap forward in unmanned naval aviation, designed to expand maritime power without risking human crews. Developed by Leonardo SPA, this advanced unmanned rotorcraft demonstrator showcases the future of autonomous sea-based operations. Built with a modular payload bay, it can carry mission-specific equipment such as sonobuoys, surveillance sensors, or resupply cargo, making it ideal for anti-submarine warfare, reconnaissance, and logistics support. Its advanced autonomy suite allows independent mission execution, while digital twin development speeds testing and upgrades. Constructed with modern composite materials, Proteus combines flexibility, endurance, and smart integration for next-generation naval aviation missions. Delta Black Raider 330. The Delta Black Raider 330 is a next-level hybrid electric VTOL unmanned aerial system that redefines tactical ISR and logistics missions. Designed for vertical takeoff, short landing, and extreme short field operations, this UAS pushes far beyond conventional Group 3 drones. Powered by a true hybrid electric propulsion system, it achieves over 28 hours of endurance, a staggering 1,600+ nautical mile range, and can carry up to 100 pounds of payload. Perfect for sustained surveillance, precision targeting, or resupply missions without needing a runway. Its rugged modular design allows GPS-denied operation, and emerging strike capabilities make it mission-ready for modern battlefields. Smart, versatile, and endurance-driven, the Raider 330 sets a new standard for unmanned aerial warfare. L3 Harris Wolfpack. The L3 Harris Wolfpack isn't your typical armored vehicle. It's a revolutionary family of modular, launched effects military systems built to redefine tactical strike and electronic warfare. Featuring the Red Wolf for precision kinetic strikes and the Green Wolf for electronic warfare, these autonomous platforms bring unmatched flexibility to the battlefield. Each unit integrates modular payloads, advanced swarming software, and in-flight retargeting, allowing them to adapt to evolving combat scenarios. Launchable from air, ground, or maritime platforms, they reach ranges exceeding 200 nautical miles, backed by mature testing and proven performance. Scalable, cost-effective, and highly networked, the Wolfpack extends multi-domain lethality and gives modern forces a serious edge in both kinetic and electronic operations. Lockheed Martin U-Hawk. The Lockheed Martin U-Hawk is a game-changing autonomous military helicopter that reimagines the legendary Black Hawk by removing the cockpit and crew stations, turning it into a fully unmanned utility aircraft with massive capability upgrades. Equipped with matrix autonomy and advanced fly-by-wire controls, it can be operated remotely via tablet or follow self-generated flight plans with pinpoint precision. The U-Hawk offers 25% more internal cargo space, a staggering 1,600 nautical mile self-deployment range, and can carry payloads up to 10,000 pounds. Its modular design supports diverse missions, from logistics and troop transport to drone launch roles. By combining the proven reliability of the Black Hawk airframe with next-generation autonomous systems, the U-Hawk is built to dominate future multi-mission operations with unmatched efficiency and flexibility. Stm Neta 300. The Stm Neta 300 is a cutting-edge unmanned autonomous underwater vehicle designed by STM for modern naval operations, with a focus on mine countermeasure missions. Lightweight and portable, it can be deployed by just 2 personnel, operating at depths up to 300 meters while reaching speeds of around 5 knots. Powered by a long-lasting battery, it can sustain missions for up to 24 hours, making it ideal for extended underwater tasks. Equipped with side-scan and gap-filling sonar, optional synthetic aperture sonar, and modular payloads, the Neta 300 excels in ISR, anti-submarine warfare, port defense, and other multi-role missions. Its versatile, reliable design reflects advanced engineering built for today's complex maritime threats. Saab Nimbrix. The Saab Nimbrix is Saab's first dedicated counter-unmanned aerial system, CUAS, engineered to tackle the growing threat of small drones with precision, speed, and affordability. Compact and agile, it measures under 1 meter in length and weighs less than 3 kilograms, yet packs a fire-and-forget active seeker paired with a high-explosive airburst warhead. Capable of neutralizing NATO-class drones at ranges up to 5 kilometers, Nimbrix is built for continuous 24/7 operations. It can be deployed as a standalone system or integrated into broader air defense networks, providing layered protection. Lightweight, lethal, and highly adaptable, Nimbrix demonstrates a pragmatic and highly effective approach to modern aerial threat defense. Kongsberg payloads for USVs. The Kongsberg suite of payloads transforms unmanned surface vessels, USVs, into highly capable multi-mission platforms, elevating performance across military and dual-use operations. By integrating advanced situational awareness sensors, precision navigation systems, and hydroacoustic payloads, these systems allow USVs to gather, process, and transmit actionable data in real time. Whether for ISR surveillance, maritime mapping, or security operations, Kongsberg payloads enhance mission effectiveness and operational flexibility. Designed for modular installation, they seamlessly integrate with autonomy controllers and mission systems, unlocking the full potential of unmanned surface platforms, even in the most demanding and dynamic environments. Bayraktar TB2. The Bayraktar TB2 is a game-changing medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle that combines reliable surveillance with precision strike capability. With a 12-meter wingspan, a payload capacity of 100 to 150 kilograms, and up to 27 hours of endurance, it excels in both ISR and attack missions. Equipped with electro-optical/infrared sensors, optional radar, and guided munitions like the Roketsan MAMC and MAM-L, the TB2 can identify and neutralize targets with surgical accuracy. Its autonomous takeoff and landing, triple redundant avionics, and secure data links ensure dependable performance in complex environments. Widely exported and battle-tested, the Bayraktar TB2 remains one of the most versatile and influential drones on modern battlefields. RTX Raven. The RTX Raven from Raytheon Technologies isn't a conventional vehicle. It's a next-generation electro-optical and infrared intelligence sensing system that redefines situational awareness across air, ground, and maritime operations. Built on a modular, open architecture, Raven combines AI-driven hyperspectral imaging with LiDAR to dramatically enhance detection, recognition, and identification ranges while reducing operator workload. Its scalable design allows integration across future vertical lift aircraft, ground vehicles, and naval installations. By delivering unprecedented clarity of the battle space and rapid decision-making capability, the RTX Raven provides modern forces with a powerful edge in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions.